Guys, what's up and welcome back to Get Ready With Me. I know I'm doing this after a very long time, but I'm back. So as you guys know that I'm a new mom and I have no time for anything. So that's why I'm here to share with you my 6 steps of getting ready, which helps me look good, feel good, and helps me get out of the door as fast as I can. So let's get started. Let's put this on because I don't want to get any makeup on my hair. Also, this looks so cute. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, yeah, looks good. I am gonna start with my foundation and I use the Tarte Face Tape. What I do normally is take some in my hand and then I just take a brush and apply it all over the face. Yeah, it's very quick, mixes very well. Also guys, I have recently got some perfumes from a brand called Dossier and I am in love with them. They make scents inspired by high-end luxury brands in affordable price. Right, my next step is concealer, which is also from Tarte. I was saying you guys about the brand Dossier. They also have free returns and exchanges. And if you go to their website, they have great deals on bulk buys, which is gonna give you like 25% discount and free shipping on 3+ bottles. And trust me, you wanna get the 3+ bottles because first of all, they are inspired by the high-end luxury brands and the smell is just out of the world. So you want to have one that you want to go wear it when you go like to a fancy parties, and 1 or 2 bottles to wear in your everyday life. Because you guys know that I also use Chanel No. 5. Yeah, it's not Chanel No. 5. And I always use it when I go out to fancy parties because it's really expensive and I want to save it for a longer period of time because I don't want to keep going and buying the expensive bottle like every other month. Since I got the scent that is inspired by Chanel, I am wearing it every single day and I don't feel guilty using it every day because it's in my affordable range. Also, another best thing about this is that if you don't like some scent, they have a 30-day free return policy that you can return the perfume, because I know sometimes it gets hard when you don't smell the perfume when you buy it, and sometimes you might not like it. So that's a great another great thing that they offer. And they keep adding new scents to their collection, which is also great. So many other scents that you can try and experiment with, so many other scents, and decide which one you like. My next step is gonna be contour and I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild palette. So I love this palette because it just blends so well into your skin. I like very light contour, so it's perfect for me. And what I was saying is that another thing I love about Dossier is that they have a very unique payment method. Is that when you check out and you select cash as your payment method, they give you 10% store credit on every order and a $10 bonus credit. So isn't that amazing? I mean, there are just so many benefits to it that you can't even imagine getting a luxury brand scents with so many benefits. I have never seen that. Next step is gonna be mascara, because this is from Essence Lash and this literally gives the false lash look, because I have no idea how to put on the fake eyelashes. I tried it so many times but I was never successful, so I'm not gonna try anymore. So here it is. Normally the way I like to apply my mascara is take a small mirror, look down on it and then apply it. That way it gives a very nice fuller look, my personal choice, because I feel like when you look straight into the mirror, it doesn't give it that good of a lift. So yeah, see, just look at the difference, this eye and this eye. Wow, all done. Thing is the blush. I have been using this e.l.f. Putty blush for some time now, and I actually like it. I just take some here and then I just dab it up, you know, kind of giving that lift look, which I have been loving recently. And then I take my brush and I just blend it in. Yeah, I like it. Last but not the least is my lipstick. This is also from Wet n Wild, and this is in the color Cherry Picking. Super pretty color. My makeup is all done. Now to my favorite part that I've been talking about for the whole video is the perfume. Look at this. This is Chanel inspired perfume. This is a woody oak moss, and I am in love with this precious bottle. And because I love them so much, I also got another perfume. This is inspired by YSL, and this is Amberly Vanilla, and my god, I use them every day, not both of them together, but yeah, every day, and I don't feel guilty at all using such luxury inspired scents. I normally apply my perfumes. I just take some, I just spray like in my wrist, rub it, and then go here and here and smell it a little bit, and oh my god, it's so good. I'm telling you guys, you don't want to miss this perfume. You have to try it out. They are amazing and you won't regret it. Alright guys, I hope you liked today's tutorial. I feel good, I look good, and I feel refreshed actually right now. So I hope you guys do check out the perfume. The coupon code and everything is in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.